Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. 4 storage unit. The drawer is made of willow. The liner also can take it off to wash if it's dirty. It's gray color and with cream liner. This storage unit is perfect addition to the hallway, lounge, or bedroom. It will make your stuff organized. And you can find the shape. We use the engraving machine to make this special shape. And the side, back, inside. For the drawers, you also can change other materials such as fabric, water hyacinth, and any other materials. Let's check the size. The length 33, the width 25, the height 76. It can load 555 pieces in 40 container. Our MOQ only 100 pieces.